What's up guys, Jay Johnson back at it, and another case review for my guy, the iPhone XR. Now this one's already out. I got these cases from Five Below. It's a little store. I don't know if you have one in your area, but it's a store where everything is either $5 or below. This one is a Clearview TPU case. Basic, all clear. Snaps right in every time I put a case on and turn the flashlight on. I'm still getting used to the gestures. Okay, so you can see here just where the button is at. It's kind of raised up for the camera. You have the lip, so if you lay it down, the best part is you get to see all that beautiful color. The only thing about these TPU cases, guys, is that a lot of times they will turn yellow. So I'm not sure what will happen with this one, but it's comfortable to carry. You get to see everything on as far as the color. It feels good carrying it. I mean, personally, I'm using it for almost a day, and I don't have a problem with it. It's only $5, so you really can't do too much complaining when it's only $5. Let's check out the other one here. This one I have not opened up. Let me take this one off. This one has a name on it. It says Spectrum.
Sorry, Jewel, yes.
This one says it's a Spectrum case, Luxe case. Yeah, a lot of my videos are going to be kind of janky, man, because I'm still getting used to the different gestures and stuff coming from an iPhone 8 Plus that, you know, a lot of stuff you can do on the 8 Plus you can't do now on the XR, the X, and all those. Alright, here's the case. It's pretty simple also and plain. Pull this stuff out. So it's clear, black bottom with like a faux leather. So you can see right here in the front, it's your buttons. On the back, you can still see color. It's raised up a little, well, it's like at camera level, so you don't get very much protection at the camera. It does have a little front, so if you do lay it down, it doesn't lay it completely on the front screen, but it gives you a little bit of style to it. The black down the bottom, red in the top. Again, this is at Five Below, $5. So if you just want to get a nice little decent case, $5. I gotta go get my screen protector put on. But yeah, there you go. 2 quick cases reviews. You can get these both for $5 each at your local Five Below. And if you don't have a Five Below in your area, you can actually go online and order these cases, and they will be shipped to you. I think it's like $3 in for shipping. So there you go. There you have it. This is another video, yet another video in a line of videos I will be having for the iPhone. If you have any requests or anything you want me to make a video about, just let me know, and I will go ahead and put that out for you. Until next time, peace.